Hi beautiful souls, today we're making this cute little skeleton motif. It's perfect for Halloween vibes and super beginner friendly. You can turn it into a coaster, patch or spooky decor for your home. Grab your yarn and hook and let's bring this little skeleton to life. We need 3 color of the yarn. You can use any color you like, and we need a hook that match with your chosen yarn. I'm using 2.5mm crochet hook with cotton yarn. I'm using yarn art jeans, and that's it. Let's start it. Start with magic ring. Wrap a yarn around your finger, make an X, insert your hook inside it, grab a yarn, bring it out, grab a yarn, pull through the loop. Okay, here is our magic ring. Now we're gonna making 3 chains as a first double crochet. Now we're gonna making double crochet in the magic ring. Okay, here is our first double crochet. Let me show you. Wrap a yarn around your hook, insert your hook into the ring, grab a yarn, bring it out, grab a yarn, pull through 2 loops, grab a yarn, pull through 2 loops. Here is our double crochet. We need 6 more double crochet in the magic ring. Total of our double crochet must be 9 plus 3 chains of the first. Okay, just continue with making double crochet until you reach to the 9th double crochet. Now we're gonna making 5 chains, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we need a triple crochet. Wrap yarn around your hook twice, insert your hook into the ring, grab a yarn, bring it out, grab a yarn, pull through 2 loops, grab a yarn, pull through 2 loops, grab a yarn, pull through 2 loops. Okay, now we're gonna making 3 chains, another triple crochet, and now we're gonna making chain 5, 4 and 5. Now close the hole by pulling up the loop at the first. Okay, now insert your hook into the 3rd chain and join with the slip stitch in there. Here is our round 1. For the round 2, make chain 2 as a first half double crochet. Now we're gonna making 1 half double crochet into the each next 8 stitches. 1, 2, for half double crochet, wrap a yarn around your hook, insert your hook into the stitch, grab a yarn, bring it out, grab a yarn, pull through all the loops. Okay, here is our half double crochet. Continue with making half double crochet that you reach to the chain 5 space. Go to the chain 5 space and make 6 half double crochet in there. Now we're gonna making a slip stitch into the chain 3 space. Make 3 chains as a first double crochet. Make 2 double crochet in the chain 3 space. The first one and another one. Now 3 chains, slip stitch into the chain space, chain 3 space. Again another slip stitch into the chain 5 space. Now we're gonna making 2 chains as a first half double crochet. Now we're gonna making 5 more half double crochet in this same chain space. The total of our stitches must be 6 half double crochet in the chain 5 space plus 2 chains. The first we need a 6. Okay, join with the slip stitch to the 2nd chain of the first, and here is our skeleton. Okay, cut the yarn and fasten off. I'm ending my row by needle all the time, most of the time actually. Let me show you. Maybe use of this diagram or way in your projects, but let me show you again. Here is our first stitch, the 2nd or 3rd. Insert our hook into the 3rd stitch, insert again inside the first stitch here, and bring it out from the back loops. Okay, bring it out, and that's it. Here is my ending of the row. There is no sign of sewing or anything. It's the best way to ending your rows. Okay, now secure the tail of the yarns between the stitches in the wrong side, this tail of the yarn and the tail of the yarn from the magic ring of the first. Okay guys, if you are new on my channel and haven't subscribed yet and you love this video, I'll be happy to have you here in my little crochet family. Your support truly means the world to me. And if you like this, I'll be happy that you send this video to your friends that you know they are working their projects for the Halloween. Thank you so much for all your support. Okay, cut the yarn, and now we're gonna making the border for it. Actually, we're gonna turn it to the square shape. Here is our face of the skeleton. With your next color, I'm choosing gray color for it. Make a slip knot on your hook. Okay, insert your hook into the stitch where you had finished your round or started here. Look, here is my start stitch. Insert my hook into the back loop and third loop of it. Grab a yarn, bring it out. Grab a yarn, pull through 2 loops. Grab a yarn, pull through 2 loops. You can make 6 chains as the first double crochet and 3 chains. Okay, if you make your stitch like me, make 3 more chains and make 2 more double crochet in the same space. Okay, here is our first corner. Now we're gonna making 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Keep in mind that you must make your stitches in the back loop and third loop in this round. Okay, make 1/2 double crochet into the each next 3 stitches. Now we're gonna making 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Okay, 2 double crochet, 3 chains and 2 double crochet in the next stitch. 1, 2, 3 chains, 2 double crochet in the same stitch. Here is our second corner. Okay guys, go to the next stitch, make double crochet, and now we're gonna making 1/2 double crochet into the each next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Make 1 double crochet in the next stitch. In the next stitch, make 2 double crochet, 3 chains and 2 double crochet. Here is our third corner. 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Skip next 3 stitches. Make 1 single crochet into the each next 3 stitches, 2 and 3. 1 double crochet into the first stitch here, and in the next stitch make 2 double crochet, 2 chains and 3 chains, sorry, and 2 double crochet. Here is our fourth corner. 1 double crochet in the next stitch, 1/2 double crochet into the each next 4 stitches, one double crochet in the next stitch, and 1 double crochet in the same stitch at the first, before the first stitch. Join with the slip stitch to the first double crochet or third chain if you made 6 chain at the first. Okay, it's turning to the square shape. Right, for the next round, move to the chain 3 space by the slip stitch. Now we're gonna making 6 chain as a first double crochet and 2 chains. Make 2 more double crochet in the same chain space. Now we're gonna making 1 double crochet into the each next stitches until you reach to the next corner. Continue with making 1 double crochet into the each stitches. What color are you choosing for your motif and what will you make with it? Tell me in the comments, I'd love to know, and let me know if you enjoyed this tutorial too. Let's make my day. Okay, I almost reached to the next corner. In the corner space, in the chain 3 space, make 2 double crochet, 2 chains, and 2 double crochet. One double crochet into each next stitches until you reach to the next corner. Okay, repeat this diagram until you reach to the end by making 1 double crochet into each stitches of each side of a square and 2 double crochet, 3 chains, and 2 double crochet into each corner spaces. In the end, make 1 more double crochet in the first chain space and join with the slip stitch to the third chain. From now, you can make your square as big as you want by repeating the round 2 of the square and make it as this desired size. Okay, and I wanna cut the yarn now and make a last round. It's up to you that you want to make the last round or not. You can finish your work here without any single crochet round, but I wanna make the last round for you. Let me ending my row first by needle. Insert my needle inside under the third stitch, bring it out and insert it again inside the first stitch, bring it out and secure the tail of the yarn between the stitches. Move very slowly between the stitches. If you just found my channel and you're loving this video, and if you're looking for easy and practical crochet tutorials, especially for Halloween, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Okay, let's crochet some spooky fun together. Okay, here is our square. Let's crochet the final round together. I'm using charcoal colored yarn because a black doesn't show up well on camera and the stitches are easier to see this way. Okay, make a slip knot on your hook and make a single crochet in each corner you want, and then make 2 chains and 2 single crochet in the same chain space. Okay, now make 1 single crochet into each next stitches until you reach to the next corner. If you want, you can make 1 single crochet, 2 chains, and 1 single crochet in each corner spaces. Okay, I reach to the next corner. I'm gonna making 2 single crochet, 2 chains, and 2 single crochet in there. And for the next side of my square, make 1 single crochet into each next stitches until you reach to the next corner. Okay, do this diagram until the end of the row. In the end, make another single crochet in the same chain space of the first and join with the slip stitch to the first single crochet. Cut the yarn and fasten off. To finish your skeleton motif, all it needs is a little steam to make it perfectly flat and neat. Let me ending my row first. insert my needle under the third chain stitch, insert it again inside the first stitch, and after that secure the tail of the yarns between the stitches and done. Okay, secure the other tail of the yarns. Okay, cut the yarn and done. Here is our skeleton motif. Now, as I mentioned to you, all we need is a little steam to make it perfectly flat and neat. Okay, I made another one of it, and let me show you how you can give it the bursts of the steam. Okay, place the motif face down on the table. Hold your iron about 2 or 3 centimeters above and give it a few gentle bursts of the steam. Then lightly tap it with your hand and gently stretch it from all 4 corners to shape it. Okay, if you like, you can also use a motif board before steaming. Use whichever method works best for you. I'll show you again. Hold your iron about 2 or 3 centimeters above it and give it a few gentle bursts of the steam, and after that gently stretch it and shape it. That's it. Our skeleton motif is finished. Just give it a little steam to make it nice and flat, and it's ready to use. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Love you all. Happy crocheting. See you in next Halloween projects. Have a great day. Bye.